Hi, this is Prof. Jojo Pangan. Welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Welcome to controlling how to control your employees. So we started with decision making, regarding planning, and then we moved to organizing. Now organizing, I also have posted about organizational structure in our GC. There's a lecture video. Last meeting we dealt with leading, managing, and motivating people. Finally, this afternoon we will be tackling controlling, monitoring, and evaluating activities. So by next meeting, we shall have the 4 P's of marketing. Okay, therefore, what's controlling as management function? Controlling is a process of monitoring, taken from the root word monitor. And so much so, controlling is taken from the root word what? What's the root word of controlling?
Control, sir.
Control. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Uriel. No? Control. No? How do we control people? So, first, we do monitoring. That's checking people. What do we monitor? Their performance. No? That's why, even in school, how do you monitor teachers? Is that you conduct what? Evaluation. Conducting performance evaluation and taking action to ensure desired results. Should there be deviation from the standards, from the performance, so the management will take action to ensure desired results. Calling upon the teacher, this is your performance evaluation. No, I suppose you need to improve on this area. Okay? If you lack classroom management, so you will be told to improve more on classroom management. No? Second meaning of controlling, it sees to it that the right things happen, no? According to plan, according to objectives. For example, in department store, I want you to increase sales by 30%. No? So you have to check, you have to see whether this objective is being implemented or not. So whether it is happening in the right ways, sa tamang paraan po, and at the right time. No? Meron nga tawag sa management, just in time, no? In the right time. No? Like today's time, because of pandemic, no? So many shoes are buy one, take one. Why? There are no sales for shoes because there are no students. So definitely they have to do buy one, take one. No? Like for example, World Balance. When I buy one World Balance at 2,000 plus, and there is buy one take one at 1,000 pesos you get 2 shoes. Sabi ko sa salesman doon, bakit hindi nyo sinabi meron ng palang mas mura tapos buy one take one pa, no? Okay, so these are the steps of control process. So we have step 1, we have to establish standard. No, standard is a set of measurement that we need to follow. No? Like in school, we have a standard. What is the ceiling grade for ABM for this subject? Is it 80, 85? No, if you go beyond 80, you have to get back the subject. What's the ceiling grade? Mr. Uriel.
2 po ata, sir.
2. What's 2?
85.
85. So that's so if you go beyond 2, let's say you get 1.5, so you have to repeat the subject, no? So you have to be very careful of that standard because minor subject a grade of 2.5. Now you see, that's the standard. Okay? Step 2 is measurement of actual performance. So if you have a grade of 2, no, 2.5, that's the standard, and then your actual performance is 2.5, therefore, no, your actual performance is 2, the standard is 2.5, so therefore, you deviate from the standard. So what you could do under step 3 is to what? To compare the actual performance with the standard. Why do we need to compare? To take what? Corrective action if necessary. No? We need to take corrective action if necessary. No? In other words, you need to improve more of your performance. And all of this, actually, you have to go back to what's the standard. So you could just imagine of grade of 2.5, no? That's 85. Is that so, Mr. Uriel? No?
Sir, yung 2 po, sir, is between 71 and 76 po.
Okay. You see. So 2.5 is what? 80 to 85 is something like that?
77 to 82, sir.
77 to 82. That's 2.5. A grade of 2 or 2.5?
2.5, sir.
2.5. Okay. So that's the standard. A grade. Your minor subject is 2.5. Why do they do that? Because you have to balance between your major subjects and your minor subjects, no? If this is your minor subject ABMRC2A, so that's the standard at 2.5. So what you could do, for example, you fail, no? You fail to do the actual performance. So the management will have to compare the actual performance with the standards to be able to take corrective action if necessary. No? For example, here in department store, you want to increase sales by 30%, but the actual performance is 20%. So there is a deviation from the standard and there is a problem with the actual performance. So what the management will do is to compare the actual performance between the standard. No? 30%. Oh. Could that be achievable? Probably yes. No? That's only 30%. But if you say to your workers, our standard is we are going to apply. Now, our measurement is 100%. So is that achievable? Is that achievable? It's not, diba? Kasi 100% you could just imagine. But if 30%, so you could still, what? You go beyond to 20%, you could still take corrective action if necessary. No? What corrective action will you do if you see your salesman is not performing? Perhaps when you do comparison, when you check on the actual performance, you found out, wait, my salesman and woman are just what? Gossiping during the actual performance. Instead of entertaining the customer, some are gossiping. Perhaps they don't apply what? What strategy will they apply? Customer service. Have you ever experienced getting into department store, you see the salesman is piling up all the stocks, and then when you ask something and they will not entertain you? Did you experience like that, a case like that? Hello po.
Yes, sir.
O, di ba? It feels bad. Ako, I'm talking even to the security guard. You have to entertain customers. That's part of the customer service. Be kind, be compassionate, no? Because it is where you get the bread and butter for your business. Huh? So that could be our corrective action. That could be our corrective action. No? Seemingly with our grades of 2.5. So if you go beyond 2, so daw, no, you have to do the actual performance. The management will compare it and then look into corrective action. Perhaps what will you do as a student, no, to be able to meet the standard here? What can you do? What will be your courses of action? Uriel?
Improvement, sir.
Improvement. What kind of improvement?
Analyzing problems.
Analyzing the problem. You analyze well. What went wrong? Why did I got this grade of 2? Perhaps I'm not attending classes. I'm not participating in activity. I'm not into submitting my requirements. So there are many factors to consider why you were not able to meet the standard. Do you agree with me? You give me a thumbs up if you agree with me.
Yes, sir.
Where's the thumbs
Yes,
up?
sir.
Thumbs up, please. Okay, thank you very much. Yan. Okay. So, here, no, we have the goal, we have our actions, and then we do what? Measuring. Oh, you look at the measuring, oh. You look at the goal. Oh, his goal is here. No? Meaning to say higher. No? Higher than that. And then this is the action. The action is going low. So we have to measure again what went wrong. Diba? Okay. So in conclusion, one has to maintain standards to achieve excellence. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. No? One has to maintain standards to achieve excellence. We have to take corrective actions to improve performances and serve that action to the best purpose according to the mission, vision of the school. No? So that we could serve our God and country. Okay, thank you very much for listening. This is the conclusion under controlling.